Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing the Sony Alpha 7 IV and the Canon EOS R7. These two cameras are both renowned for their impressive features and capabilities. So let's dive right into the comparison and see how they stack up against each other. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Starting with the price, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is priced at $2,499, while the Canon EOS R7 comes in at $1,899. It's worth noting that both cameras offer great value for their respective price points. When it comes to image sensors and processing, the Sony Alpha 7 IV boasts a 33MP full-frame XMOR-R back-illuminated CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality. It is accompanied by an 8x more powerful next-generation Bions XR image processing engine. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 features Canon's 32.5MP APS-C CMOS sensor, which ensures sharp and detailed images. Both cameras excel in this aspect, providing excellent image quality. In terms of video capabilities, the Sony Alpha 7 IV stands out with its ability to record up to 4K 60p 10-bit 4:2:2 with full pixel readout in all recording formats. Additionally, it offers 7K oversampling full-frame 4K 30p 10-bit 4:2:2 with no pixel binning, resulting in stunning footage. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 is equipped with the Digic X image processor, enhancing performance for ultra-high-definition videos. Both cameras excel in capturing impressive video content. When it comes to lens compatibility, the Canon EOS R7 takes the lead. It is compatible with EFS, EF, RF, and the new RFS mounts, providing users with a wide range of lens options. The Sony Alpha 7 IV also offers a variety of lenses for their E-mount cameras, but Canon's versatile compatibility gives it the edge in terms of lens selection. And that wraps up our comparison between the Sony Alpha 7 IV and the Canon EOS R7. Both cameras have their own strengths and are suitable for different types of photographers and videographers. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your personal preference and specific requirements. We hope this video has been helpful in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.